Hello, today I want to make a video for repair the kitchen faucet. The problem I have it is when I turn the hot water on, when I turn the hot water on, the waters come out in streams. When I turn to the cold water, and the water I push this all the way, the water come out like very low pressure. I try hard the net, it not come out. And I have problem before on the old one, and I thought the faucet is bad, but I think the valve is bad. The seal have been broken, and the piece of the rubber had to run through the hole and block the in here in cartridge. And I think my wife she want a new sink, and then she go buy a new sink from Costco. I will show you the model number and what kind of the faucet. This style is like new style of faucet. I will show you the picture of these sinks right here. Okay. If you have problem with this, sometimes you have to replace the valve too also. Okay, here is the box. I still have box outside. This is the box my wife bought from Costco. It's Kohler all-in-one. It's come together, and when I put together everything, the water pressure is low on the cold water. So I replaced the valve. The new valve is still have problem. So that's what I could show you how to fix it. Okay, before you open this out, you have to close the valve, the water valve underneath the sink. It have two hot and cold water. You have to do both of them. Okay, here is under the sink, and I have been replaced this new valve on this, but this problem is still there. So I will close the water, both of them, and then we'll take the part. Okay, check, make sure you don't have the waters come out. Okay. See, you should no water come out. Okay, this new style sink, I have to find the star 2 like this. Okay, small. I have to try 1, 2, 3 different ones. Make sure it fit that screw on this. You have the hole here. What you do is you just turn. Oops. Make sure it get in there. Okay, you have to turn back other way, like other unclockwise, like that, and then you move this out. Okay. And then you can see that this one is go in here. Yeah. Yeah. Make sure don't lose the screw, and then take this out. Take the cover out. It's like some model it like screw it in, and this model is like pop it out. You don't need to turn. What you do is just using the flat, very small flat screwdriver, and carefully on the side. Okay, on the side, and just jiggling inside and then twisting a little bit, twisting around, make it come out even. This side, make come out even. It will pop it out. So see that when you pop it out, you will see the knob right here. When you put it back in, make sure it go the same place. And next, I have to unscrew this. It have like big side of the socket. I will use the alpha in my toolbox is like a 24 millimeter. It's kind of a little bit big. I think 23 or 22 will fit. It kind of like a little bit loose, but I use this. See, it's not that tight. Just when you tie it, don't make over tight because it might be damaged the cartridge. See, just loose it out by hand after you loose. You see that? Take it out. Okay. I try to look at YouTube to repair this new faucet. Nobody have it, so I try to make one. And then you remove this out. See that? Make sure when you move it out, when you put it back, put it in the same way. It have like lock nut right here. Make sure it's go the right way. And what you do, you can see in the hole, the what I did in the hole there, the waters come out. I saw the the plastic that broke from the valve come out in this hole. I take it out and I clean it out. Okay, make sure you clean that out good, and then try to turn the water on, the cold water, like the one in low pressure, and get someone that I let my wife have the cover here a little bit, and then turn it on. On is real fast, and just slow the water come out and clean the hole. Okay, now put it back. Okay, the way put it back, like I was saying, I so that you have to put in the right way, like you take it out. Okay, I think let's see. It have two holes there. It's like you have to go to that right there. When it stays, it's like a little bit tight. Okay, and then you're using your screw. Use your hand turn. Okay. Just a little bit tight, not too over tight. Okay. Okay. Make sure the knob here is go down the right in the slot there, and then you just pop it in evenly. Okay, we'll go in, and then I already turn on the water. Then you can test it again. I already did testing. The water come, pressure, hot water, cold water. Okay, and then you have to lock this with the star screwdriver. Just use by hand tie. You don't need the handle. Just counterclockwise and tied it. Stay. Okay. It's done. So it's very simple if you have a right tool and you have right problem solved. So okay, thank you for watching, and see you next clip. Okay, thank you.